Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how you can open the secret Start menu on your PC. Windows 10 is the most popular desktop operating system in the world, and while Windows 11 is nipping at its heels, most of us will still be running Microsoft's current OS for the foreseeable future. And even if you use it every day, there's always more to learn. Maybe you don't consider yourself a power user, or perhaps you've made the leap from Mac OS to Windows. Whatever your comfort level, these tips will help you get more out of your Windows 10 experience. Some of these tricks originated from an older generation of Windows, while others are new to this iteration. If you're a fan of that old school, i.e. non-tiled, Start menu experience, you can still, sort of, have it. Here is how you can do it. Firstly, locate the Windows icon, which is shaped like a window. It should be in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Right-click on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner to prompt a textual jump menu with a number of familiar destinations, including apps and features, search, and run. All these options are available through the standard menu interface, but you can access them quicker here. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.